Hi everyone, welcome back to Foxlister. In this video, I'm just going to show everyone the uptrend of sales that is occurring on Facebook Marketplace at the moment. So in our database, I ran a query that allows us to see revenue per user, and we cut it down to a ratio. So this is the revenue per user graph for this year, the year of 2023. We can see here that it started off very low in January, but by month 10 is what we see here. We can see that our revenue per user is 2.15, right? Which is it's a ratio, but it's almost 2 times what we started off with this year. And compared to last month, we're up about 30%. Last month was about 1.5 revenue per user, and now it's 2.15. So all you have to see is the chart is going up. Right, so we're clearly in an uptrend of sales for Facebook Marketplace, and I'm very happy to break the good news because I think last month I sort of sent out an email that we're up 72% compared to the beginning of the year, but now we're actually up over 100%. So let's see how this data tracks over time. This is the 30-month trend of sales, right? And this is from 2021 of when Facebook actually allowed people to list on Facebook Marketplace and ship products. If we go all the way down to October of 2023 and I entered in the 2.14 number, and you can see the graph here that's created from all the months, you can see that we're at the same level as we were in like 2021. The sales are the same. And if we shorten this and we go the past 12 months since last October, you can see that there's a significant incline. Now, if we see how we're doing compared to the last 12 months, so last October was 0.85, and this is 2.14. So if we do 2.14, we're up like 252% for the year. So basically, I'd like to invite you guys to come on and give selling on Facebook Marketplace a try. Use our $12 lister or use the bulk uploader for 1 month. Upload like 200 products and see what sales you can get. I'm interested in seeing the data, but I was very pleasantly surprised to see such a massive uprise of sales in just 1 month. Maybe Facebook is like, hey, we're losing ground compared to other social media sites that are also releasing shop platforms. But here's the data. Here's the cold, hard data. It's my job to share this. So whether you want to start this month or next month or whenever, just know that Facebook sales, they may be back to normal, and you may reap the same rewards as you were like 2 years ago when you were selling on Facebook. So that's all I have to say in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't started already, go ahead and subscribe to FB and Fox. Link in the description below. It's only $29 a month for 200 products. And we'll see you guys in the next video. More content to come soon on Facebook shops and TikTok shops. See you guys later. Bye.